Hey everybody, welcome back. I got something really cool today. At least I think it's cool, because one of them is 119 years old. So I forgot my knife, but that's alright. Go ahead and just rip it apart. Be alright. Hope everyone's liking the videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down which one's your favorite. And the first one I'm gonna go with is the 2019 Great Britain 1 ounce. What is that? I'm not entirely sure. I think I got one of these already. But I think with this, when I bought this one, it was because you get automatically put into a drawing for a gold coin, so that's what I got that one for. But this one is a 1900 O Morgan dollar, and it is VGVF, which I think is virtually verified. I don't remember. We'll go ahead and take it out. Oh, come on, you little... But look at that. 1900. 119 years old. Really good shape. I mean, just think who might have had this in their pocket. Who might have spent it and where. Oh. I gotta get me some more of these. But that's pretty much all I got today. So got two things of silver and a Morgan dollar. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment which one you prefer. And I will see y'all next time.